I think I am live. I think I am live. Yeah, so what are we doing today? By the way, hi, if you know me. If you don't know me, I'm Zach, and I run this debugging channel, like I think I could say. Yeah. So, welcome to Gauchos today, and I think what we want to do today is probably work on UVC on the STM32 N6. So previously we tried to work on UVC on this, and what basically happened was we couldn't. How do I say this? Let me see. Do I have something here? Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, cool. Branch. Yeah, cool. So I'm on where we were last time. So let me just quickly build this, and then we can actually see where I am. Okay. So I think I could do something like a West build here. Yeah. So last time we were working on this, I think we got to a place where we got the app working, but the video wasn't working itself. And I think, which is with the same thing we did with the N6 the other day. With the Freedom board the other day, where we debugged our way into finding the video working. And actually, additionally today, the other part that I want to check through is I want to make sure that UVC does not make OBS crash, because after some research, it appears that that could be a Zephyr issue, that OBS crashes whenever we start playing a UVC stream. And I've been unable to replicate that behavior. So the thing that I want to do is during the stream, I'll UVC stream, and see if I can make OBS crash. And we should have enough error messaging here that we will find out if something happens. Yeah, so that's fine for now. But let's get it building, and then we can see what happens, and then we can start from where we stopped last time. And the code that we're working on today is on branch. I think there's a branch on that. So there is a branch we're going to try and face with. The code that we're working on today is on Gauchos. I'll put it up. Suddenly, I think my internet is very slow today. Zephyr. Yeah, I think the code that we're going to be working on today is going to be on one of these branches. This branch. It's going to be a branch here. It's going to be IMX, this branch, IMX219-UVC. That's the branch that we're working on today. So if you want to follow along, you can jump onto this repo and pull this branch and try and see if you can follow along. Okay, cool. So that's the thing built, and I think I am in bootloader mode. Yeah. So I'm going to go West Flash. That's gonna flash. And as soon as it flashes, I'm going to remove it and connect it so that it remove the jumper, make it into an app. Cool. And then I need a USB-C cable or USB something. I don't know which USB this is, but so I apologize. The thing that is happening right now is kind of what we're debugging. That crash that just happened right now is something that we need to actually figure out. And I think I'm back. Bartholomew, am I back? I think I'm back. Am I back? I think I'm back, yeah. So that crash that just occurred right now, that is a crash that we're trying to actually debug. We don't want that crash to happen, and that crash should not happen. And I'll try and not let it happen again. I have to think of something that actually fixes it. But I think the first thing to probably do is to look at our channel system and then see what happened actually. So this unknown video format, and then that, and then so no, this is an audit. But why is the audit always happening after this? So this, and then this also, this is found after unknown video format and new full speed USB disconnect number 34, new full speed USB device number 35, and new USB device found. That is fine, that is fine. Then we see new USB device settings, there's that. And then product code, UVC sample, Zephyr project, serial number, that's fine. But it just goes that, and then it dies. So the other thing I want to do is, unfortunately, we might have to crash again, but I want to try and see if I can get the thing that causes a crash on the logs. I'm sorry, I'm gonna crash again. This means my OBS is gonna crash, and then we'll get a reason somewhere here. So I'm gonna have to actually restart the thing. So bear with me. This is gonna make me crash again. Thank you. Okay, I believe I'm back. However, I'm back. Cool. I think we are getting the actual log for the thing. So it's somewhere in here. We get this, and then whenever I just restart the thing, this is what happens. So this crash seems to be what is actually killing us somehow. So I need to find out a way of, there's a double free here, but that's from a very different place. Double free, that's fine. This is a probe, this is an MTP device. That's not really for us. Okay, cool. So this appears to be, so portal, no entry for camera. It looks, isn't that looks like it could be the issue. It looks like it could be the issue. So as you can see here, seriously, as you can see here, well. So I think we found it. So this one, this error, whenever this error occurs, we crash, which is also being recorded here, but this is also some extra information. So I'm going to copy this from all of here, just put it aside. And then actually let's go here and start a discussion. Can we do so I'm trying to just make a place where we're recording the information that's happening, or we can also just, you know, that's wasting time. That's wasting time. I can just and then I can and then in here I can actually, I don't like this. CD documents. Okay. And then I think today is, which day is today? So that's the 5th, 2025.md. And then in here we're going to say a nuclear, give that a title, nuclear N6 debug. UVC debug. Okay, cool. And then we're gonna put that there, and then we're gonna say this is just message, and then we can just put it here, and that way we have all of this information to the side. Demes, and channel CTF. Record this error whenever UVC device with added while using OBS. So another UVC. Okay, cool. So that's fine. So that's saved up. We have that recorded somewhere. So this is what is happening. Number one, the first thing I kind of want to check out is this looks to be something that we can fix, or we can even find out. So why is this crashing? Why is wire portal crashing? And does anyone know about this fix? Let's actually go find out. Something like that. Yeah. This kind of seems like it. Wire plumber failed to call lookup. Yeah. And then it's a GD bus. When is this? How old is this? Yeah, this is 2 years old. Oh man, I don't want to fix Debian. I don't want to work on Debian, man. But let's see. So it seems like this is a wire plumber issue, not a Zephyr issue, which would be a good thing if it's a wire plumber issue, not a Zephyr issue. Which would be a good thing. It means we might be able to just get around to making this work somehow with something else. We might be able to do that. We might be able to fix it. Yeah. Okay, cool. So actually, it looks like okay. So it looks like the actual UVC device is my screen recording rather than an actual Zephyr issue, which is fine. We can fix that as well. Okay, wait. Oh, that would be nice if it's not a Zephyr issue, then we can just go straight to actually making things work. Just go all the way there. It looks like it's gonna be a Debian issue. Yeah, this is the exact same one here. So seems like that's the issue we need to be staying at. We need to stay here. When was this? 2023. Okay, cool. Fairly recent, but not so recent that we expect it to be here. Please tell me there's some solution to this. Anyways, does anyone have any questions so far? Does anyone have any questions so far? No, it's just a bug report, and there's no one saying anything here, so I'm just scrolling through. Yeah. I seem to have run into some video issue in Debian because it's V4L video for Linux. I see it's a video for Linux group and a VLC group, but it's yeah, it looks like it's a video for Linux group and no, that's fine. That's not the one. No, that's not the one. It is this one. It seems like. So, can I see this issue somewhere else other than? No, yeah, this is just gonna go back to this as a backtracker. That's fine. Okay, so let's read this properly, slowly, and see if we can fix it. Because it might even be fixed and we're just struggling for nothing because it appears the problem is on my computer. Because, yeah, if I assume would UVC work? No, UVC does not work. We still need some more work on this. We still need some more, we still need a bit of work. We still need this this branch here. This is a new branch from 3 days ago. We still need this branch. Yeah, we still need this branch from 3. No. It's not this one. It's the one that I posted in the Discord. We still need yeah, we still need this one. We still need this one. But this is pretty new. The commits are new anyways. Not the work might be a little older, but the commits are pretty new. These commits are like they look to be 3 days ago. So this is super new stuff that we don't have yet. Yeah, cool. This should make DCI and PP work with UVC, but UVC seems to not be working on our machine. Unless it's a software generated video, and then when it's a software generated video it just works. Because let me show you. I'll show you. I will show you. And then I want to rename this R. Okay. In here, let's like, I think it's something like that, and then we can do something like that, and then that, and then we can do something like this all the way to the bottom. See, if we remove that, and actually come in here and we go like that, and we go, I want to look at the README for the Zephyr UVC README. UVC anyone has questions anymore, because we can kind of play with this until it works out, and it's often a dig like this that makes the thing actually come up. So let's actually start by doing it in a software. Can do, where is that? Where's the one that uses a shield? So we should be able to use a software. Yeah, this. So I want to do S video generator that. I want to do this and just get like a video generator on the screen, but from this device. So, and I think I can do that here, and I can go up, 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 and then in here, yeah, in here, I need to just like that. If I do that, it should build us a thing, and it will build us a sort of video, and we can look at the actual video from the thing, which is, we just want the same thing but with an actual camera. Let's actually look at the difference, and we might be able to tell what happened. Yeah, let's build. Any questions so far? Any questions about what we're doing, about how it's going? Is my video choppy? It seems very choppy on my end, because it looks like I keep seeing YouTube saying it doesn't get data from us. The end result, the reason this video is titled Libmpix is because the end result, if we have UVC working on the STM32N6, then we can potentially move forward with testing the new Libmpix Helium, because the STM32N6 uses ARM QEMU, which is helium, and that's what we actually want to test. We actually want to test helium, but as what we've seen with Zephyr and stuff, usually, or all of development, you have to walk through quite a bit of blockers before you can actually test the thing you actually want to test. And in doing that, you learn a lot and you find out where the problems are. Okay, now I'm gonna do West Flash. Okay, so that's gonna flash, but this is probably gonna make me crash as well. Yeah, this is a pretty random topic. Do you want to know about the topic more? If I reconnect UVC, it's gonna crash. Let's actually do it from. Let's do it from. Is it? What is the native 64? Native POSIX. Native POSIX. Can we do that? Yeah, we can build from native POSIX. Hey Marcus, how are you? Yeah, it's a pretty random topic. I understand, but so whoa. So yeah, I understand that the topic is pretty random, but well, not bad. It's just that native POSIX. Yeah, I'm not doing anything wrong. That doesn't make sense. Anyways, okay, let's try the board with the software generator. But yeah, it's pretty random because I usually work on Zephyr, and we are trying to work on Zephyr. We are in Zephyr, true, But I want to do something. The thing that I'm trying to really do is actually do image signal processing. And to do image signal processing, I need to use Libmpix for that. However, before I can get to using Libmpix for that, I need to image the image. How do we call it? How would I call it? The image. I need to get the image through to my computer, so I need to actually handle the image. I need to get an image signal from my camera all the way into the microcontroller, and that's what we're trying to fix up. Well, it seems like we have the image, but don't have the UVC part of the image. Yeah, that's really the problem. And the other issue is, if I reset this board now, it's going to crash. It is going to crash. So I'm not sure about what to do, but we'll see. Let's see if we can make it not crash then. There might be a way. We reset it, it's on, and then we plug it in. We like hot plug it, USB hot plug it, and see if that actually changes something. Flash. Okay, bear with me. I'm gonna disconnect this. OBS is still running, and then I'm gonna reconnect. Yeah. So I run a stream where I try and crash the stream so that I can fix it. I don't even understand. So yeah, the moment UVC connects, it just goes down. It just goes down. So, but now that it's connected, ls dev video. Now that it's connected, it's there. So I can do ff play dev video 2. And we do have UVC video. Why don't we do that? Why don't we just let it crash? Try and actually play the video itself. Yeah? Because that actually works. So okay, cool. Okay, yeah, so but also I know if I close this, OBS might crash as well. Okay, cool. OBS didn't crash. That's fine. Do we have any? No, we don't have any errors here. And do we have any errors here? So we don't have any errors here. What about if we list the devices? They're still present. So yeah, let's actually just let it crash. Let's actually let it crash, and then I can always restart the stream again. So let's let it crash, and then I'll restart the stream. Cool. So let's actually try and play an actual video now. Let's actually build it to play an actual video rather than the thing that we've been doing. So let's actually go for the camera image. Okay, cool. So this, instead of video generator, let's actually go for the actual thing. So let's just build it straight. Okay, cool. So this is gonna be a problem. The first thing we have to do is actually fix this. So this is go here and let's go up here and remove this. Okay, cool. I like this plan. So let's just let it crash and then see what happens and see if we can actually fix it from there. Yeah, I can always just come back and make things work. So that's cool. So that's fine. So let's actually build it. Let's build that. And then we should have a monitor here. And what we want to see, yes, this is what we want to see. Whenever we actually start the video after it has crashed and everything, we want to see the host has selected some video and it's starting video transfer, and eventually we should see some video on this where it could be me again or something of the sort. We'll see what we can see. Yeah, so let's actually do that. Any questions so far? Marcus, did I explain why the stream was pretty random? Any other questions? Okay. Cool. I think my internet is pretty bad. It must be very broken. Anyways, it's almost an hour anyways. So let's just try to the top of the hour and then we'll see. Let's try to the top of the hour and then we'll see. So let's actually try with actual video. This is what's happening here. Let's actually just flash that. Let's flash this. So the stream is choppy because of my internet. I really apologize about that. So I apologize. But yeah, let's do a West flash. Let's just push through. It's fine. Otherwise, there's no point. Okay, cool. And this should actually give us pretty good results over here, as you can see. I'm gonna disconnect this thing here. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go to the serial terminal, and I'm gonna set this, and it's gonna give us a nice UVC message. That's fine. Leave the crash by itself. That's either residual. That is either residual or we don't need to deal with it right now, or it's from something. Hopefully that wasn't too bad of a crash, but I came back. Let's actually now try and leave that, and then let's list the videos first of all. There is 2, and then let's do FF Play video 2. So this is good. So we get this. Error. My cat doing a strike on food. With actual video, we get this video. We get this error. From FF Play. So this is all stuff that's gonna be quite key in debugging this. When we go back and we share all these issues, it's gonna be quite key to have all of this. So that's why we need to record it. And then I think in journal, yeah, you see there's that, we get that. Yeah, you see there's that. Copy, and is this the same one? Message unite, JS log. So this one worked. This is the one before that worked. That's fine. This is fine. So let's actually just copy that. Yeah, let's copy that, and we can say this is what we get from journal CTF. Yeah. So this is all key information, and what we're gonna do, this is what's gonna help us to actually This is what's going to help us to actually fix this, because these are all like breadcrumbs that we need to follow. And then actually the next thing we need to do, I would say, is let's look at what the message says. Yeah, also 48. So we've got that. And we have this unknown video format. Yeah. Copy. Did we record that before? Did we record that unknown video format before? No, we didn't. So let's actually dmask logs this. Okay, cool. So now the thing that I want to do is this is sort of all fixed. This all might be fixed up actually, to be honest, because this might all be fixed up in this new PR. Is this new PR that we found? You see this? DCI MPP. This is the new one. No, not that one. Sorry, this one. This is the new one with the commits from 3 days ago. So we could actually try and apply this on top of what we have and see what we have. And I actually have this one, PR, DCI, MPP, or offline on my machine. So if we do git branch here, I have pulled it. This is that branch. So I have pulled it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do git merge PR dash DCI MPP into the thing that we have right now, I would say. Yeah, let's just merge it into the thing that we have right now, and then we probably will get some merge conflicts. Oh, nice. So wow, only one. So git merge to merge 2. So there's a conflict here, and I do not know what to check here. So let's actually see what we want. Files changed, and which file is this? This is video CMake lists. Okay, files changed. I want to see files changed, and I want to see drivers video CMake lists. Oh no. Drivers video CMake list. So what is, there's no CMake list changing here at all. There's no CMake list changing here. So what's happening there? Let's see. It doesn't seem to be that there's a video CMake list actually changing anywhere. So that doesn't make sense. That does not make sense. Something must be way newer. Let's see. Let's actually just go down and see what's changing. What is it to change? telling me? This keeps all the stop. Yeah, sure. What has been added? What has been added? Yeah, sure. DCMI, DCMPP. I don't see the difference. Video generator, cool. I think it's been changed. I see. Why is this one here? Yeah, why is that one there? See, it doesn't have the DCMPP, doesn't have video generator, doesn't have okay, cool. Okay, cool. So we can and there's probably another one, it looks like. Is there another one? No, that's the only one. Cool. So let's just see. Let's just see. So this is actually, this just goes. We want to keep that. Let me see. GC21, GC21. Is it in there? It's not in there. Yeah, so I'm thinking, but DCMI is in here, you see? And SW generator is in here, you see? So I'm kind of thinking video email RX, ESP32, GC214, IMX219, IMX335, CSI. This must be pretty old commits that we're looking at. So that's cool. So those are all in there. I think we want to keep all of this all the way to here, and then we don't want to keep anything below that. That's what I think. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna do this here. Okay, so I'm gonna remove that, and I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna be, and then I'm gonna just remove all of this till here. And then I'm gonna pretend that's what we're gonna do. I'm upgrading Zephyr or something. That's what I'm doing, and that's why it's not working. Oh my word. Git merge. There you go. Cool. We actually git state. Clean -f git status git diff okay, this is fine. I'll keep that. So let's actually try and build that. Let's build on that one and see what happens. Yeah, cool. So let's actually try and build on that. there's something here that we need to not use or something. Which file is this? Common DTSI. Yeah. Okay, cool. I don't see it. I don't see it. I do not see it. Yeah, we're patching way too big changes here. There's the changes. Okay, cool. It's video bindings. Do the bindings change here at all? The bindings never change here. So the bindings never change. Wait. Include video drivers. Yeah. Samples, subsys. There's no bindings change. Yeah, I don't see any DTS change here. So why is it basically claims it doesn't have a DTS? Let's actually look. I think the app overlay changed. No, just main. So the port seems to need some sort of bus, but it seems like we'll give it a bus here, but it could be that we're not passing this into some actual port. I feel like that could be the issue. Think about it. Let me see. I'm just gonna try this for like another. Wait, you know what? I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna take a break from this one. The reason is I need to know. I need to know if this PR that we want to try needs to be with. Yeah, there's so many changes. There's quite a few changes that need to happen, or there's a lot of changes that we need to avoid. So I need to go and find out. Is this PR going straight on main? Okay, cool. It's not this that we don't need. it's something else. So I'm gonna go. Yeah, I need to talk to the people who wrote this PR. So that's Joshua and so this seems new but old.